Hey everyone, Attorney Eric Ramos here. Today I'm going to answer the question, what is an order of non-disclosure in Texas? An order of non-disclosure is a legal procedure that people can use to seal their criminal record. Now it's something that can seal one record for one charge, and it's available to people based on the outcome of their actual criminal case. So for cases where people did something called deferred adjudication, or if they had the case dismissed for other certain reasons, or even in cases where people were convicted of nonviolent offenses like theft or drug possession, even some of those cases can be sealed with an order of non-disclosure. Now that order of non-disclosure, or the record sealing, is a procedure that goes through the court system, and what we actually have to do is file a petition or a civil lawsuit called a petition for order of non-disclosure. And in that petition, we're asking the court to grant what's called post-conviction relief, saying, Judge, my client was charged with an offense back in 2009 or whatever year, and we're asking the court to help him out and to actually help them seal the record so that it doesn't affect them going forward in the future. We don't want it to affect jobs. We don't want it to affect someone being able to get a mortgage or a credit card. And as long as certain requirements are met, then the court has the discretion, or they're allowed under the law, to actually grant that order of non-disclosure. So that order is a court order from the judge to seal the records of the crime. So when we say seal the records, that's actually telling the state of Texas, the Central Criminal Database called Texas DPS, they actually have to seal the records so that anyone who requests a background check on you, they won't be able to see that unless they're certain agencies like law enforcement, police department, FBI, certain state agencies, but private employers, lenders, those entities and private parties won't be able to see it. They won't even know that it exists. So that order of non-disclosure does a really good job of sealing your record and making sure that in the future it doesn't affect you. Now there are certain legal requirements that have to be met, and there's certain procedures that we need to take to make sure that the order of non-disclosure goes out to all the right parties and it's truly sealed and no one can find it. But it's something that can be done, something that we do frequently, and it's something that is available, like I said, to a lot of people, even sometimes when they're convicted of a crime, when they're found guilty. So if you have any questions, or if you're not sure what the outcome of your case is, or if you're eligible for an order of non-disclosure, you can take our online eligibility test, or you can give us a call to schedule a personalized case review, and that's where we'll look at your record, we'll look at the outcome of your case, and we'll help you determine whether you're eligible to seal that record.